Hi, welcome to the community high-tech self-care, the hot phone massage. Today I'm gonna show you how to relax with your phone step by step. The goal is to get your phone hotter than you. A hot phone helps to release and relax your tight muscles. The hot phone massage is a relaxing and deeply soothing form of massage. Be sure to keep your charging station within reach. I have my power bank and my cables here with me. And to start, you have to peel off the protection case of your phone. So now, go to your camera app and open the video function and turn on the flashlight. Now, hold your phone in front of your face and keep your eyes closed. And move your phone in circles over your face. Relax. Don't be distracted. You're just here with your phone. You're becoming one with your phone. Change your circular motion from time to time. Relax. You're one with your phone. This light therapy will also heal your skin disorder and prevent you from your next depression. Now, move your phone over your arm and your hand. Turn your hands, go over your fingertips with your phone. Take your other arm, move your phone over your forearm, go back to your hand. Turn your hand and move your phone over your thumb and over your fingertips. Now go back to your face and keep on moving. Change the direction. Uncover your ear and move your phone softly over your ear. Go to your other ear. Fun fact, it will help you to remove your earwax easily afterwards. Now take your phone in your hand in front of you and push the record button. Go back to your face and move in circles over your face. Relax. You're one with your phone. Don't be distracted. Keep on moving. Push the record button again to stop the video. Now we will all meet on Instagram. Open your application and look for my name. My Instagram name is Nadielien. You follow me, I follow you. found each other, so you can now post your new Instagram story from the video we just made. Hashtag hot phones. Ready? Post your story. Done. Now we are very happy because we earn new followers while relaxing. This makes us more attractive. But still, we need to relax again to get rid of the pressure of social media. Can you feel your phone getting hot? Surround it with your hands and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, open your browser, open a new tab and type in slow, hot, computer.com. Slow hot computer. Makes your computer run slow and hot, so you can be less productive. It works by running processor-intensive calculations. Follow the link, and now your phone is getting really hot. Can you feel it? Now your phone is hotter than you. It's cool because now we can put the hot phone on our bodies. I need some battery again, because it's also very, very energy effective. So put your phone on your face and relax. Some people have their phone all the time in their hands. Maybe you're one of them. You might have a tense neck. So put your phone, your hot phone on your neck and relax. Or maybe your thumb might be crumbled as well because you're scrolling and typing all the time. So put your hot phone on it. Maybe you have cystitis. Put your hot phone on your pussy. It will help a lot. If you have your period, put your phone on your belly. And it will release your pain. Maybe you have back problems. Put your phone on your back. And relax. The hot phone massage is a helpful tool you can integrate very easy in your daily life. It makes you fit again, and it activates new energy for you and your phone. Thank you.